Let's transform your customer interactions from static messages to dynamic conversations with Aisensy's interactive button messages. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the WhatsApp section. In the main dashboard, this is where all the magic happens. Next, click on Template Messages. We're going to create a new template with interactive buttons, so hit the Create Template button located on the top right. Give your template a clear and descriptive name, select the appropriate category, and most importantly, under Message Type choose Interactive Message. You can add a header to your message for visual appeal. You can select a text header, or you can choose to add an image, video, or even a document. Now, craft the body of your message. This is where you write the main content that your users will see. Be concise and engaging. Here's where the real fun begins. Scroll down to the buttons section. You can add up to 3 buttons, each designed to guide the user to a different action. Customize each button with relevant text. Think Learn More, Get Started, or Contact Support. You can also link these buttons to specific URLs or phone numbers for seamless action. Once you're happy with your template, click Submit for approval. WhatsApp will review your template to ensure it meets their guidelines. Once approved, you can use this interactive button message in your broadcasts, automations, and even your chatbots to boost engagement and drive results.